Hello everyone, how are you? Hope everyone is fine. Today also, the host of the Growth Wallet is available for you to talk about money. And in this video, I want to discuss about how to stay motivated to earn money in life. So, let's get started. Have you ever felt dominated about earning money? Like no matter how hard you work, it will never feel enough. If yes, then listen carefully. Today, I am going to tell you exactly how to stay motivated, stay focused, and stay unstoppable in your journey to earning money and building a successful life. At first, we have to understand why we want money. Motivation doesn't come from money itself, it comes from the purpose behind the money. Ask yourself, why do you want to earn more? To give your family a better life, to get freedom from stress, or to travel, or grow, or to improve your living standard. Write the reason. This becomes your fuel because when your why is powerful, your motivation becomes permanent. The second thing, stop comparing yourself with others. One of the biggest motivation killer is comparison. Stop comparing your income with your friends, relatives, or social media. You are running your own race, not theirs. Focus on your growth, your skill, and your goals. The day you stop comparing, your brain naturally becomes more motivated and productive. Third, build skills, not stress. Money follows skills, not stress. If you want to earn more, become someone who is more valuable in the market. Learn a new skill, improve your communication, become better at decision making, learn finance, learn business, learn marketing, learn sales, and learn everything that we can beside our study at our leisure time. Every skill you learn increases your earning power. It increases your value in the market. This motivates you to grow because you can literally see yourself improving. 4. Think long term, act short term. This is the place where most people get fail. They want quick money, quick result, and quick success. And here everything becomes ruin because hurry always makes bad curry. Real success comes from the consistent small action. Think long term like an investor and act daily like a worker. Even if you grow 1% every day, the result will shock you in 1 year. 5. Surround yourself with growth energy. Your surrounding shapes your motivation. If you sit with people who complain, you become negative. If you sit with people who dreams big, you grow big. Read books, follow financial educator, watch motivational content, and surround yourself with the people who talk about ideas, opportunity, growth, value, and God, but not gossips. 6. Track your progress. When you track your growth, your motivation becomes automatic. Write down how much you earned this month, what new skill you learned, what action you took, what your next target is. When you see progress, your brain feels reward and you stay motivated to earn more. 7. Visualize the future, what you want to be. Close your eyes for 10 seconds and imagine. You are earning more than enough. Your family is proud with you. Your life is stable and peaceful. This vision is not a dream. This is a future version of you waiting to be created. When you visualize success every day, motivation becomes natural. 8. Remove limiting belief. Many people say, I can't earn much. I am not talented. Money is difficult. These are not realities. They are the mental chains that binding you. Break them. Tell yourself, I deserve success. I will earn more. My time is coming. And money isn't that much easy how much the people think. Believe it and your action will follow. Conclusion. Remember, money is not everything, but money gives freedom, respect, opportunity, and comfort. Don't chase money. Become the person who deserves money. Become the person who is capable of earning money. Become when you grow, money follows you automatically. So, always stay motivated, stay hungry for success, and stay unstoppable. If you want more video like this, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you so much. Have a nice time. Keep growing, keep glowing. Meet you soon.